I'm Rachel, Technical Director and Mess Maker here at Global Kingston, and thank you for joining me in the back workshop for Nail or Fail. And we're gonna get right into it. Today, our challenge is making honeycomb candy. Honeycomb candy or sponge toffee is just the inside of a crunchy bar. It's 5 simple ingredients: water, sugar, corn syrup, and honey brought to a full boil. And when you add in baking soda, it floofs up and creates air bubbles inside the candy, giving its signature look of honeycombs. That is our goal today. Let's give it a try. So we got our little bit of water. Ooh, this doesn't have a 4th cup on it. We're gonna do 1/3 of a cup because that's all I got. Oh, this is coming up to a boil really quickly. Ooh. Ooh dear. Down, down. You're not, no. Nope. In my defense, it didn't say what size saucepan. What the heck? This isn't good. I still have to put in baking soda. Matt, do you want to do me a favor? And can you just run in under my desk to see if there's a bag with a bigger pot? Yay! A bigger pot. All right. Okay. Thanks, Matt. Here we go. Here's the baking soda. That really did floof. That's so foofy. Whoop! I just singed my hair. I think I burnt it. It's been about an hour, so this should be done. So it should be very light. It should be breakable. Breaking perfectly. Look at all the bubbles. Matt, do you want to taste it? Does it taste like a crunchy bar? Definitely has a burnt aftertaste. All right, I don't know if this is a nail or a fail. I think it's a maybe. So, homemade honeycomb sponge candy.
I love a good crunchy. That's what this is then.
Yes. Oh my God.
I think you nailed this one.
You sure?
Yeah.
Doesn't taste burnt?
Nope, I think you nailed it.